Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to change a volume buttons function in the camera app on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and now let's check for what the volume keys are responsible for. So let me press the volume buttons and as you can see they've got their normal function currently set, so all we can do is simply to change the sound volume. Now let me show you how to change their function, so simply tap on the settings in the left upper corner. Now we have to scroll down a little and here we've got shooting methods, so let's tap on it and tap on the very first position. As you can see here we've got three options to choose from. Now we've got system volume applied, so as I said we've got the normal function applied, but we can also set zoom or take picture or record video. Of course I will show you both options. So let me begin with taking a picture, so as you can see it immediately changes. So let's get back to the camera and let's press the volume button. And as you can see from now on I can take a picture using the volume buttons. Now let's check another option, so let's go back to the settings, let's tap on shooting methods and choose zoom. Now let me get back and let's check if it is working. And as you can see, by using volume buttons I can easily zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the function of volume buttons in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.